That's great. Woo! Take a look at it. Oh, yeah.
Damn, you can't even see him.
It's a neat looking deal.
Whose is it?
I'm not sure.
That guy right here. No, I mean, he's turbocharged.
I don't know if this is an Incon. Can't go anywhere. I got a Camry in front of me. Shall we?
Heck yeah.
Oh, here we go, here we go!
Oh, heck yeah. Heck yeah, baby! Heck yeah!
What you got? Yeah! I'm the daddy. 'Cause it's all gravy.
I'm hungry.
See you later!
What the heck is all that? I don't know, dude.
Oh, they got a power break over there? You ready? Here we go. Let's go.
Yeah, baby.
They're gonna kill me from a roll though. Get this red light again.
Not necessarily. These are LT1s. Their high end isn't known for being that great.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Oh, they keep getting old.
Shit. We got more room coming up here. Watch, I'm gonna pull on it real quick. Ready? Where are you gonna go, dude? Where are you gonna go? We can get away from these cars. Here we go. You're blocking us in. You know, these two are doing the freaking speed limit.
Yeah.
Oh, where's Jeremiah? Oh, he's behind us, isn't he?
I don't know.
Did you got that Bazzani exhaust?
Dr. Gas.
Dr. Gas? It's nice sounding.
Nice.
Yeah. All motor?
Huh?
All motor?
Yeah.